Welcome everyone! Today we're going to do Excel Module 1, Part B, creating a worksheet and chart. First let's click Start, and you can see our instruction file and our start file. I won't reference the instructions too much because I'm guessing if you're watching this you want a shorter video. So let's come to our downloads and open our Excel start sheet. Okay, it looks like we are working on a budget for Diaz marketing. So the first thing we need to do is enable editing. Awesome. And then we are going to want to rename it. So come back here, and for expected file name, we can copy this. Then come back to your Excel, go File, Save As, and paste that in there. And don't copy the XLSX. Awesome, now we can get started. So first we're going to go to Budget. Let's click on B1, and it wants us to cut and paste that to A2. So right click, go Cut, right click again, paste. Perfect. Now we're going to go to H2, and it wants us to add the word consultants. So lowercase. Awesome. Now we're going to go to C3, and we want this these same dates, so you can just copy and paste this. So let's copy this, don't cut it, and paste it. Perfect. Now we're going to go to J4. So come over here, J4, and it wants us to enter a formula. So you're going to do equal sign H4 minus I4. Perfect. Now we're going to go to B6, and it wants us to do another formula, equal sign B5 divided by B4, and let's fill that by seeing that plus sign to H6. Good job. Now we're going to go to H9, and we can click Auto Sum, which is this thing right here. Perfect. Click Enter, and let's drag that down to H12. Awesome. Now we're going to go to B17 and type the number 27363. Enter. Then we'll go to J9 and type equal sign H9 minus I9. Enter. And this one's a little tricky. It wants us to paste it, just the formula, not the formatting. So we're going to copy and then select J10 through J14, and then right click and do formula only, the third paste option. Next we're going to come to B14, and as you can see there's already a formula here, so just click inside the formula bar before $J, $2 starts. We're going to type B13 and then a slash for divided by, press enter. Then let's autofill it to H14. Awesome. Let's come down here to B19, and we're going to type equal sign B18 divided by B4, enter. Autofill that to H19. Then here's our trick that we did last time that we liked. You're going to select A8 through A12, and then hit Control and select H8 through H12. Perfect. And we want to make a pie chart, so what we're going to do is go to Insert and come to our pie charts. We just want a simple 2D pie. That looks awesome. And then let's change the title. We're going to put total, year to date, and then at the end, sales by, lowercase, state, capital. There we go. That looks awesome. Now we're going to move this chart. It wants us to put the left corner in K3, so let's do that. Awesome. It doesn't always have to be exact. It'll accept it if it's a little as long as it's in K3. Then let's move over here, and it wants the bottom right corner in M17. So you can just shrink that down. Let's see. Is that 17? No, that looks like 18. Let's go M17. Awesome. Now it wants us to change the style. So you can click on the background, go here for styles, and it wants us to be style 11. Perfect. Then you can click away. And the last thing we're going to do is come over here to view in the top. Not now, thank you. And then check grid lines. So now our entire worksheet doesn't have grid lines. And we are good to submit it. You can go File, Save As, and then turn it in. Let me go turn it in just to make sure we got 100. We got 100, you guys. Okay, this was awesome. I hope you guys had fun. God bless every single one of you, and see you on the next one.